So software development is changing, and despite access to these amazing LLMs and code agents, the gap between having an idea and shipping code to production is still huge. And I believe this is because our current tools are the wrong abstraction for the agentic era. And so that is why I built dev0, which is an agentic engineering platform which orchestrates Gemini 3 models to help you build at the speed of thought. So this is how we go from 0 to 1. So we start with the idea of what I want to build. So I will use the voice input feature here, which is powered by Gemini 3 Flash to enter my app idea. Let's build a YouTube bookmark manager where I can save video URLs with timestamps and be able to add tags and notes. Let's use local storage and the YouTube iframe API. So our transcription is ready. So we start the build. So our preview agent, as you can see, it has generated the project name and the description, and I can edit this. And since our app is client-side only, React is the pre-selected framework we are going to use for this project. So let's create it. Now, as we can see in our dashboard, the planner agent has generated all of the tasks and assigned them to Gemini Pro or Flash depending on the complexity of the task. So let's initialize the first task, and here we are provisioning a sandbox where the assigned model will run via the Gemini CLI, and we can already see the live updates coming through. So we can see what the agent is doing in the sandbox, the tool calls it's making, installing dependencies, and everything it's doing. So after the task is complete, we move on to the technical review phase, where I can now review what the agent did, and we can see the pull request body and the activity log of what the agent was doing and the order of the tool calls. Now when we review now, we can see our diff viewer, we can see all of the changes which were made, and the file tree shows the modified files, and I can choose the unified diff view or the split view, and I can also collapse the file tree to fully see the code and the changes which were made. So this looks good. Let's accept and confirm the merge. Right, so we've accepted the pull request, and we keep on doing this for all of the tasks until each and every one of them is complete. Okay, now that all of our tasks are complete, we can now actually make sure that the app is working. That's why we have the preview tab, so we can initialize a sandbox environment of the completed app. And as we can see, this is what it looks like. So let's try to add a video here to see if it's actually working. So I think I have a TO video here about Gemini 3, and I can also add those tags as per my specifications. Right, so let's actually play it to see if we can play the video which we just added. Okay, so this looks good. We are able to see the playback of the specific video we added, and we are supposed to be able to add notes for a specific timestamp. So that's what we specified when we were creating the app. So let's test it out to see if it works. So let's see if we are able to resume from our notes. Exactly, so now it's working as per our specs. The app is fully functional, and we can see how the agent implemented it. And we also have access to the code view where we can see all of the files that were generated. So this is the source code, so you can browse through to see how the agent implemented it, so we can see and browse through easily. So that is the whole app implemented, and this is what the code agent generated in the end. So that is the dev0 workflow. So we went from a simple idea to a complete app, and I hope you found it interesting. Thank you for watching, and you can try it out at dev0.1. Thank you.